Hello dear students, welcome to the video today. So children, we are carrying on with this chapter. We are carrying on with the revision of this first chapter, political science, which is talking about democracy. What is democracy? Why democracy? Yes, students, you know it very well. Democracy is very important for us. There are certain points, there are certain reasons due to which democracy is important. We will be assessing in this chapter about the importance of democracy. In today's time, we are understanding that India being the largest democracy in the world. Yes, children, the kind of system that we are following, we all are lucky enough to be in a country which is a truly democratic country, and we are thinking about human rights. We talk about the welfare of normal common people. What are the features of democracy? So simple definition of democracy is mentioned here. Step by step we will be understanding what actually is the meaning of these definitions. We need to understand about the features of democratic form of government. Children, you know very well, we are in democracy. You know the main features of democracy, how democracy is changing, and how democracy will bring change in this world. We are going through this chapter and democratic form of government. When we are understanding, how do we understand and how do we distinguish between a democratic government and a non-democratic government? At the end of this chapter, we will be understanding the objective and of democracy, and we will be understanding about a broader idea of democracy. Okay, of course, one thing that is important is, so democracy, the most prevalent form of government. Yes, all the countries in the world claim that they are a democratic government. The most prominent and most popular form of government is democratic government. The second big question is that which, if we are not having a democracy, if we are not in a system which is a democratic system, then which form of government are we preferring? अगर democracy नहीं है तो क्या है फिर? So these are the questions that we will be discussing in this chapter. We have already understood about different forms of government. On the basis of our understanding, we know there are majorly two forms of government. Dear students, we will be understanding about the democratic government, about the non-democratic government. Now, we need to understand, everybody knows, now you will be saying that we know a lot about democracy. Yes, but then in class 9th, I won't say that the definition is changing, but then we need to understand the definition of democracy. Let us take a note of an objection by Mary. It's a classroom situation which is talking about the discussion between the students who will be talking about democracy in different forms. There is one teacher, Matilda Lingdo ma'am. She's responding to her questions and other classmates are joining the discussion. She's telling, I don't like this idea. Okay. We discuss about democracy and we want to find out the meaning of democracy. So logically, we would first understand the other way around. We must understand the meaning of democracy and then understand the definition. Now Mary is saying, why do we need definitions at all? क्या democracy पता नहीं? Of course, it's the government of the people, for the people and by the people. So what is new in this definition? This is what we are understanding. Lingdo ma'am says this is a classroom situation from Sikkim, interior part of the Indian state, where the students are trying to understand the meaning of democracy. So when we are getting the definition, when we come across a difficulty in the use of a word, we need a definition of a rain. We wish to distinguish it from drizzle or cloud burst. Difference है ना, although it's of the same category, लेकिन rain is different, drizzle is different and cloud burst is different. So same thing is there for democracy. clear definition we need, because people use it for different purpose, and very different kind of governments call themselves democracy. Very few governments are there which is calling themselves as democracy. Now when Lingdo ma'am is saying, कहने को तो the countries claim that they are democratic countries, लेकिन in reality there are many countries which claim to be a democratic country, but in reality it's not a democratic country. So why do we need to work on a definition? The students in the class are discussing it with Lingdo ma'am. Ma'am has to explain that why are they discussing about democracy on such a large scale. Rebiang is saying, why do we need to work on a definition? What is the use of the definition of democracy? Other day you quoted Abraham Lincoln says democracy is a government of the people, by the people and for the people. Now, isn't it the clear meaning? Meghalaya may always ruled ourselves, that is accepted by everyone. Why do we need to change that? Changes ye democratic system that we are talking about, changes, is the change really needed? So now just see what is the reaction of Lingdo ma'am. She's saying, I am not saying we need to change it. Of course, democracy ka meaning kaise change hoga? I find this definition, the definition is very beautiful, and it's the best way of defining democracy. We think about it ourselves. We must not accept something just because people are saying it is democracy, it's a feature of democratic government. सिर्फ बोला जा रहा है इसलिए एक्सेप्ट नहीं करना है. There needs to be some clear cut definitions for that. So one more child, Yolanda is standing. She's saying, ma'am, can I suggest something? She has got some suggestions and she says, we don't need to look for any definition. What is the need of definition? Somewhere I have read that the word democracy comes from a Greek word demokratia. Demokratia word say democracy has come, and from here democracy is rule by the people. Common people are the rulers, and that's the correct meaning. Where why do we need to debate? इस पर बहस की ज़रूरत क्या है? So Lingdo ma'am here is saying that is also very helpful way. This matter where all the clear discussions are happening on democracy, it's a very clear way of defining democracy. Like computers are there. It's useful for computing, calculating. Very difficult mathematical sums are there which can be easily calculated. So we are using it for writing, designing, listening to music and watching films. So it's the same word, computer, but look at its uses. It is changing with time. Just see the reaction of the students that एक ही computer की बात हो रही है. Powerful calculators are there. लेकिन nowadays very few people use it for. पहले क्या होता था कि टोटलिंग वोटलिंग के लिए कंप्यूटर का इस्तेमाल होता था, बट अभी तो it's in our hands. If we say that computer is in our hands, we won't be wrong. These are powerful calculators, and few people are using computers for computing sums, writing, designing, listening to music, watching films. ठीक है, words remain the same, लेकिन meaning is changing, and meaning can change with the changing time. It is not very useful to look at the origin of a word. कहाँ से आया है वो शब्द, ये ज़्यादा ज़रूरी नहीं है. So Mary is saying, so basically what you are saying, मतलब आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं, there is no shortcut. हमारे सोचने का तरीका अलग नहीं है about the matter ourselves. We have to think ourselves and evolve our definition. Just because Abraham Lincoln had said a democracy form of government to the people, for the people and by the people, just because Abraham Lincoln had said, that's why we are accepting it. It's not that. So Lingdo ma'am is saying you get me right. Let's get on with it now. A simple definition. We are understanding it is a form of government in which rulers are elected by the people. First major feature of democracy is that rulers are elected by the people. Students, please make a note of that. Useful starting point. And the definition is saying separating democracy from other forms of government. Clearly, which are not democratic, lekin we are understanding it in a different manner. Like, army rule is there in Myanmar. Myanmar mein there is army rule, but these rulers were not elected by the people. The people are in the control of the army. They became the rulers of the country. People had no say in this decision. ये डिसीजन में आम आदमी का कोई लेना देना नहीं था. डिक्टेटर्स वेयर देयर लाइक पिनोशे इन चिली. चाइल इज अ कंट्री जहाँ पे कि द डिक्टेटर वॉज नॉट elected by the people. It is also applying to monarchies. Kings जो होते हैं, kings are not elected by the people. They are kings because they are born kings. The families of the king's family. Kings of Saudi Arabia, they are ruling not because the people have chosen them to do so. लोगों ने कहा है इसके लिए सऊदी अरेबिया में the rule is not like that. लेकिन but what is there is it is they happen to be born into the royal family. They are born into the royal family. That's why they are leading a royal life. So a simple definition is there. बहुत सही नहीं है. The simple definition, it is telling us that it reminds us that democracy is people's rule. आम आदमी का rule है. And in a different thinking manner, एक अलग तरीके से अगर सोचेंगे, we would end up calling almost every government which is holding an election is a democracy. It would be very misleading. बहुत सही नहीं रहेगा ये. लेकिन we will be finding it out in chapter 3. Chapter 3 में हम देखेंगे that every country in the world, जितने भी countries हैं, no country wants कि उनको कोई और ruler, anybody could say that they are not having democracy. Every country wants to be known as a democratic country. And so government हमको का distinguish करना है democracy. And एक तो original democracy is there and some countries pretend to be democratic country. Pretending की क्या ज़रूरत है? Because if you are not a democracy, पूरे world आपको एक अलग नज़र से देखेंगे. And we are understanding each word in this definition carefully. ये जो democracy का definition है, we have to understand each and every word. And we will be understanding the features of democratic government. Ribiang वापस से घर जाता है. Now he had collected some more famous quotations on democracy. Democracy के ऊपर उसने कुछ और facts find out किए Ribiang ने. And this time she did not mention the names of the people who said it. किसने क्या कहा है ये हम किसी आदमी का नाम नहीं लेंगे. We are not talking of any human being. We want to read these and comment कि how good or useful these thoughts are. ये सब जो thought process है कितना हमारे लिए ज़रूरी है. Democracy is gives every man, okay, the right to be his own oppressor. अपने तरीके से अपने आप को चलाना है. Nobody can subjugate a person. It is choosing the dictators. And after we told you that what you think it is you want to hear. Democracy में क्या है? You are choosing your dictators and we told you that what you think it is you want to hear. आप जो सोचते हैं आप वैसा ही सुनना चाहते हैं. So a person's देखो सोचने का तरीका, the way a person is thinking, democracy is talking about it. A person's capacities for justice is making democracy possible. Democracy is possible. And a man's inclination is there to injustice. makes democracy necessary. Democracy ज़रूरी भी है. It is एक तरीका है, it is a device which is ensuring we shall be governed no better than we deserve. जो जितना हमको चाहिए, जिस तरीके की गवर्नमेंट होनी चाहिए, उसी तरीके का ही we want the system to function. Okay, all the ills of democracy. देखो, all the ills, ऐसा नहीं है कि democracy is without any problem. ठीक है, कैन बी क्योर्ड बाय मोर डेमोक्रेसी. जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं इन अ डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम, इट्स नॉट दैट डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम इज नॉट हैविंग एनी प्रॉब्लम, लेकिन दैट कैन बी क्योर्ड, दैट कैन बी मेड परफेक्ट थ्रू डेमोक्रेसी ओनली. इट कैन बी क्योर्ड बाय मोर डेमोक्रेसी. ज़्यादा अच्छे से डेमोक्रेसी को प्रैक्टिस करना है. जस्ट सी हियर, डेमोक्रेसी में आई एम श्योर यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस. M, which is about अमेरिका की one very famous company, McDonald's है. They are putting this sign here. यहाँ पे डेमोक्रेसी को खड़ा कर रहे हैं. The army is erecting the democratic feeling amongst the people. This is democracy. कार्टून क्या है? जब elections were held in Iraq, US was present and other foreign powers were also there. This cartoon is saying, why is democracy written the way it is? ऐसे इस तरह से M क्यों लिखा गया है? That is needed to be understood. Now, democracy का definition we understood from different perspectives, from different point of view. Now what we are understanding is the features of democracy. Yes, children, we need to understand the main features. डेमोक्रेसी, अगर हम डेमोक्रेसी कह रहे हैं, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट्स मेकिंग डेमोक्रेसी अ डेमोक्रेसी. सो डेफिनेशन एक ही था कि इट इज़ अ फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट जिसमें कि रूलर्स आर इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल. पीपल आर इलेक्टिंग द कॉमन रूलर, द रूलर्स. एंड इसमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं. आखिर हु आर द रूलर्स? इस डेफिनेशन में रूलर्स कौन हैं? विच ऑफिशियल्स मस्ट बी इलेक्टेड? किसी भी गवर्नमेंट के लिए अगर डेमोक्रेसी है तो कौन से विच काइंड ऑफ पीपल शुड बी इलेक्टेड, एंड व्हाट आर द डिसीजंस दैट कैन बी टेकन. नॉन इलेक्टेड ऑफिशियल्स आर ऑल्सो देयर इन अ डेमोक्रेसी. तो व्हाट इज देयर फंक्शन? इलेक्टेड नहीं है लेकिन होल्डिंग वेरी प्रोमिनेंट पोजिशन. ऐसे लोगों का डेमोक्रेसी में क्या काम है? So elections, what are the elections? What kind of elections are there? Democratic elections क्या हैं? And elections को democratic consider करने के लिए what are the major factors? So these are some of the very burning questions. Who are the people जो कि rulers को elect कर सकते हैं? Who can elect the rulers? एवरी सिटीजन ऑन इक्वल बेसिस. सब लोग इक्वली जो है वो डेमोक्रेसी को मान रहे हैं. एंड डेमोक्रेसी क्या है? इट डिनाइज सम सिटीजन्स दिस राइट. ये राइट कुछ सिटीजन्स का जो है वो डेमोक्रेसी डिनाई कर रहे हैं. कुछ सम राइट्स आर डेफिनेटली लुक्ड इनटू, सम राइट्स आर ओवरलुक्ड. तो सारे सिटीजन्स के बारे में सोचना भी काम है डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम का. ओके. And what kind of a form of government is democracy? Form of government, ठीक है, दिखा रहे हैं डेमोक्रेसी है, बट ओरिजिनली इट्स नॉट. इलेक्टेड रूलर्स जो हैं, कैन दे डू वॉट एवर दे वॉन्ट? क्या अपनी मनमानी कर सकते हैं डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम में? द रूलर्स, कैन दे डू वॉट एवर दे वॉन्ट? या फिर डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट फंक्शन विथ सम लिमिट्स होनी चाहिए, रुकावट होनी चाहिए. सो डेमोक्रेसी में वी नीड टू रेस्पेक्ट सम राइट्स ऑफ द सिटीजन्स के राइट्स को रेस्पेक्ट करना है. ईच ऑफ दीज क्वेश्चंस वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. सम एग्जाम्पल्स हैव टू बी देयर. ये ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स नाउ वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन डिटेल. So first, what we have understood, my dear students, it was the simple definition of democracy followed by the features of democracy. Both the things extremely important, my dear students. And in democracy, major decisions are taken by elected leaders. The leaders are there who are taking major decisions. Pakistan mein jaise, this is a very frequently asked question, that in Pakistan, Pervez Musharraf led a military coup. ठीक है, in October 1999 में परवेज मुशर्रफ के लीडरशिप में एक मिलिट्री कूप हुआ and he overthrew the democratically elected government. Government was there, he had overthrown that and he said that he is the chief executive of the country. इन्होंने अपने आप को, he declared himself as the ruler, he declared himself as a democratic leader. Is it a democratic system? क्या कोई रूलर बोल सकता है कि आई एम द ओनली रूलर? डेमोक्रेसी इज लॉस्ट. इसके बाद ही चेंज हिज डेजिग्नेशन टू प्रेसिडेंट. पहले ही सेड कि ही इज द चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफ द कंट्री. लेटर ही चेंज्ड हिज डेजिग्नेशन एंड ही बिकेम द प्रेसिडेंट. एंड इसके बाद ही हेल्ड अ रेफरेंडम. रेफरेंडम इज अ वोटिंग सिस्टम जिसमें कि द पीपल आर आस्क्ड टू वोट ऑन अ यस और अ नो. He got a 5 years extension. 5 साल के लिए इनको एक्सटेंशन मिला. पाकिस्तानी मीडिया, ह्यूमन राइट्स, एवरीबडी कंडेम्ड दिस सिस्टम. ये ज़बरदस्ती वाला जो एक सिस्टम था, पीपल हैड वेरी मच टॉक्ड अगेंस्ट इट. डेमोक्रेसी में ज़बरदस्ती नहीं होती है. सबसे पहला तो फीचर यही है, यू कैनॉट फोर्स द पीपल टू एक्सेप्ट योर व्यूज. दैट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्राइटेरिया. आप देखो जैसे कि सीरिया की कंडीशन, लुक एट द कंडीशन ऑफ सीरिया. व्हाट इज द कंडीशन हियर माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेयर द सीरिया the army is saying that you cannot enter inside. Democracy is shown in the form of an angel. एंजल के फॉर्म में डेमोक्रेसी को दिखाया गया है. Democracy is trying to enter Syria. So the army people are saying ki first fill up this form. You can become the member of Al-Baath party. एक party है which is one party rule there. Until and unless you become a member of that party, you cannot be the ruler. Al-Baath party. So the party member is saying, party leader is saying, fill it. तो अब क्या, this is it a correct democracy? Major decisions by elected leaders. Elected leaders. Please understand, थोपे हुए leaders नहीं है. It's not imposed leaders. These leaders are the elected leaders. First and foremost criteria is this. Now we are saying this that the Pakistan का केस हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. पाकिस्तान वन कंट्री विच इज क्लेमिंग दैट इट इज डेमोक्रेटिक, लेकिन देखो रियल इशू क्या है. द फोर्सफुल प्रेसिडेंट परवेज मुशर्रफ, ही अमेंडेड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में भी इन्होंने अपने हिसाब से चेंज कर लिया. एंड प्रेसिडेंट डिसमिस द नेशनल एंड प्रोविंशियल असेंबलीज. द वर्क ऑफ द सिविलियन कैबिनेट वॉज सुपरवाइज्ड बाय द National Security Council. It was dominated by military officers. मतलब सब जगह पे military है. When everywhere we are finding the military taking over the complete power, how are we talking about democracy? Law was passed. अब देखिए, please you have to remember, civilian cabinet is supervised by National Security Council. मतलब आर्मी इज ओनली सुपरवाइजिंग द सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल ओनली. ठीक है, मिलिट्री ऑफिसर्स हैं, दे आर लुकिंग आफ्टर द कंप्लीट सिस्टम. लॉ पास होता है, इलेक्शंस इज हेल्ड टू द नेशनल एंड प्रोविंशियल असेंबलीज. एंड सो पाकिस्तान हैड इलेक्शंस. दिखाने के लिए करना पड़ता है ना. द होल वर्ल्ड वॉज कंडेमिंग दिस मूव ऑफ जनरल परवेज मुशर्रफ. जो परवेज मुशर्रफ जी ने किया, इसको एवरीबडी वॉज क्रिटिसाइजिंग. तो दुनिया को दिखाने के लिए इनको इलेक्शंस करना पड़ा. लेकिन फाइनल पावर देखो अभी भी क्या था, फाइनल पावर rested with the military officers. Are we really talking about democracy? No, my dear students, this is definitely not democracy. Many reasons are there. Pakistan under General Pervez Musharraf cannot be called a democracy, and एक कारण इसका ये भी है, रूलर्स आर इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल. लोगों ने रूलर को इलेक्ट किया है इन पाकिस्तान, एंड पीपल में हैव इलेक्टेड अपने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स को, दे हैव इलेक्टेड टू द नेशनल एंड प्रोविंशियल असेंबलीज. लेकिन वो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स जो हैं वो सिर्फ सिंबॉलिक हैं. दे वर नॉट रियली द रूलर्स. They cannot take the final decision. This type of a system definitely is not democracy, my dear students. So today we finish here. Next class will be continuing the same chapter. Till then, children, thank you so much and all the best to you.